So before London trading session opened, this was the scenario for potential long opportunities, and on the 4-hourly we were looking for potential sell side liquidity, the previous lows to be swept, and then looking for lower time frames opportunities as on the 15-minute time frame in order to target those beautiful highs from this last week at 1.1750 and extension of those. So those two scenarios were drawn before London trading session open, and now if we go to our live chart of the Euro US dollar, we can see this is where we are looking for potential long opportunities. So the key levels that we mapped out today in the session before London trading opened, we were focusing on this level or this. So any level and any sell side liquidity level that would be swept, this one or this one, within London or New York session, we'll be looking for potential extension of those levels here. This was the plan, and looking off those particular price action here, the moves here, as you can see, the first level was there, and market swept this level quite quickly within the London session, and our idea was to look for potential extension and a bounce back move towards the previous highs or extension towards those daily highs from last week. So as you can see on the 4-hourly, market swept this liquidity, and if we go to the 15-minute time frame, this is where we got our beautiful setup today. So in trading, it's very important that you keep your trading very simple and that you have clear rules, because more simple your trading edge will be and more clear your trading rules are, then of course easier it will be for you to focus on consistency, on consistent execution of your trading plan, and this is the key. That's what we are doing also here within our trading community. So on this you can see the 4-hourly levels that were mapped out were those two, and we're looking for classic manipulation, accumulation, distribution. So in this case we had this accumulation, we had this manipulation, market swept this 4-hourly liquidity, and when the liquidity is swept, then of course we are looking for potential market structure shift in order to trade this distribution. So we're looking for accumulation, manipulation, and distribution pattern formation drawn against in combination with the hard time frames liquidity. So that's the key. So in this case we had liquidity, as you can see, taken on the 4-hourly. Looking at that price action on Monday, you can see at the start of the day we had nice beautiful range within the Asian session, and as we were approaching the London open, we had nice manipulation back to this hard time frames liquidity level, and immediately after price sweep this hard time frames liquidity, we had nice, as you can see, nice reversal to the upside with nice bullish imbalances on the 15-minute time frame. So in this case, of course, the confirmation was there. As you can see, the bullish structure shift was confirmed, and any entries on confirmation or on retracement, of course, that would mean a nice entry in order to look for nice extension. So in this case, with entries here with the stop loss below the structure, this was the plan on the Euro US dollar. So in this case, there was enough room to target at least 1-to-1 in terms of risk and reward ratio, or even 2-to-1, depends on your goal with that trade, with that trading idea. And the key was, of course, to look for that extension towards those hard time frames liquidity levels. In this case, the 4-hourly tops at 1.1747 level, and then extension, of course, the daily tops above here, which were still left untapped, and this is something that we may start looking for tomorrow. In this case, any retracement back towards those levels, then of course in combination with the lower time frames we can maybe look for possible opportunities in order to look for extension towards those liquidity levels above here. But today this was really nice, clear setup, and it's very important that you stay patient, wait for those nice proper setups, and then you just execute your simple trading cruise. That's the plan. That's the key in your trading for long-term success. So hopefully this video was helpful, and make sure you watch it in order to understand how to approach the markets on a daily basis.